hope y'all like the video. I'll be back when I get ready to take the macaroni out. Okay, this is I'm getting ready to make my dressing. I had to wait till my chicken, I use chicken broth till it come to a ball. Just use the regular stove top, not that fancy. But I use chicken broth instead of water. And I mix it all up. As you can see, I fold it in. It's supposed to let it come to a ball. And then I can mix it in. Turn it down to low. You don't want to cook too fast, too hard, and there it goes. See, now my dressings are coming together, as you can see. Take it off the stove a little bit. Ready to put my macaroni in. As you can see, the oven is at 400 now. It has to preheat. And now I'm going to put my macaroni in. And my rice is already in. So I'm going to put this in. But I'm not going to leave them. Okay, I'm back. I'm finna the finishing touches already done, but I'm finna add a couple of pieces of butter on top of my macaroni before I put it in the oven, because it's going to melt down into it and keep it nice and moist and buttery. And I'll show it to you later when it get done. Okay, now I'm finna put a coating on top. You have to have a coating on top of your macaroni to make it macaroni. So I'm going to go all the way around, everywhere on this thing. Whole top. This is going to be my coating. Hold it back on the top. Blend it all in together. Blend it all in together. Okay, and run the camera. And
that's it.
And this is what my macaroni look like. When you finish, it's gonna have Kobe Jack and cheddar, chopped cheddar mixed together.
Adding the cheese to the macaroni.
Yes, so I'm putting in Kobe Jack. I like Kobe Jack and chopped cheddar, mild cheddar, and I mix it together in my macaroni. It makes it very, very cheesy. That's what you're trying to get. You're trying to get something very cheesy. So I put about half a bag of each, and that should take care of it. You ready?
Yes.
It's already videoing?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes. And then once I get this in, I'm going to mix it. I'll mix it up good. This is going to be the macaroni here. The cheese just goes on top. This is how you have good macaroni. When you put a lot of cheese and mix your cheese. This is what your choice of what you like, But you want to mix it up real good. See, the macaroni cooled off good now because the cheese was cold. So it cooled out the macaroni also. Mix it up real good. once you get it mixed up good, you're about at the finish line. Now, I'm finna add a coating on top for the cheese, for the macaroni. I'm finna coat the top of it. And you wanna go on the top kinda light. You don't have to be, as long as you cover everything in here.